Now in example 2a, we are going to go the other direction. Example 1 over here, we took our multiple logarithms and wrote as a single log. Now we're going to go the other direction. We start off with a single logarithm and we want to expand it as much as possible. First two problems here, in example 2a, the first one, I have log base 9 of x to the 9th over 729. The first thing that I notice is that I have a fraction here. So I can split up my fraction using this middle log property and take one log minus the other log. If I do that, I get the log base 9 of x to the 9th minus the same base here, the log base 9 of 729. From here, a couple things that I can do, okay? I see that I have this exponent here, and we have a property with our logarithms that let us do something with an exponent. If I have an exponent, we can bring that exponent out front, and that gives me 9 times the log base 9 of x minus the log base 9 of 729. And the very last thing that I can do, if you have your power table, let's check and see, does 9 to a power equal 729? It is. 9 to the third power is 729. Okay, so this is all 3. I'll add that in a different color here. 9 to the third power is 729. So 9 log base 9 of x minus 3 is our answer. The second piece in example 2a, I have the log base 3 of 9x to the 5th. Keep in mind that this is 9 times x to the 5th. So if I have a couple things multiplied together here, that looks like our top log property. We can split up into the individual logs added together. Log base 3 of 9 plus the log base 3 of x to the 5th. And then again, I have an exponent here. So we have a property that says if we have an exponent, the log of something to a power, we can bring that power out front. This is 5 log base 3 of x. And log base 3 of 9 out front. Now, similar to that last one, again, I can do something else right here, because remember, log base 3 of 9 really means 3 to what power is 9? Well, 3 to the second power is 9. So this is really 2 plus 5 log base 3 of x is our final answer, and that's as much as we can simplify.